my young friends, and welcome to Obsidian Soft. Do you like pets? I'm sure you do. How about today we make a virtual pet in ScratchJr? It is quite easy and you will have loads of fun giving sound effects and different actions to your pet. As you can see from the demo,
Yum,
I can feed my pet. He says yum yum when he's done eating and even grows bigger. He can also sleep. So let's begin. Open ScratchJr on your tablets. Tap on Home. Tap on the plus button to start a new project. First of all, we need a room for our pet. So let's change the background. Tap on this picture button. Choose the bedroom picture and tap on the tick mark. Okay. So we are not keeping Scratchy the cat as our pet, so we need to remove it. Keep your finger on it until this cross shows and then tap on it. Tap on the plus button to get your pet. You can draw your pet too, but I am going to choose tag, a built-in character. Tap on the tick mark and bring tag down somewhere here, okay? Now our pet can talk to us about what it needs. So let's record some sounds for him, okay? So tap on the green blocks and then choose the microphone, and when I'm going to tap on the red, my voice will be recorded, whatever I will say afterwards, and when I will tap on the square button, the recording will stop, okay? So let's see how it goes. I'm hungry. So this is my first sound. I want another one. I'm sleepy. Another one. I'm bored. Okay, so now I have 3 sound effects, okay? And how are we going to use them? When our game begins, you know it starts on the green flag. So get the start on green flag block. And I am going to wait. So the wait blocks are in these orange blocks. So this 10 here means 1 second. So if I make it 99, it means about 10 seconds. And if I put it inside a repeat block like this and make this 2, so this will repeat the 10 seconds 2 times. So 10 plus 10 is 20 seconds. So we wait for 20 seconds and then we play our hungry sound. And then we again wait. So let's plug in the repeat 2 block and then we wait for 10 seconds. Play the sleepy sound and then one more time. 2 here and then 99 here. And the third sound effect. Okay, and then I want it to keep on doing it. So for that, we can use the red repeat forever block. Okay, so let's try it. I'm hungry. So see, tag can tell us his feelings now. I'm just going to stop it for the moment and then I'm going to add some buttons for making tag do things like eating and sleeping. So because a button can be tapped on in ScratchJr, so it's also a digital character. So tap on this plus button to add a new digital character. And I am going to choose the moon down here, tap on the tick mark, and then tap on this paintbrush, okay? And first of all, I am going to make the moon yellow. How can I do that? Choose the yellow color and make sure that the paint bucket is selected here, and then keep on tapping inside the moon, okay, to make it yellow. So this looks good. Now tap on this arrow button because we want to move the moon to the corner, and then choose the black color and draw a square like this, okay, and then choose the light blue color and the paint bucket and drag your finger on the screen until this dashed box shows, and then pick your finger up and then it will fill up with the color, okay? Now bring the moon back, okay, and fit it inside the box, okay? And then tap on the tick mark because we are done with our sleep button, okay? Now bring the sleep button somewhere here, okay? And we need a button for feeding. So again, tap on plus button, and now we are going to choose a food item, for example, an apple, and then tap on the tick mark, and then tap on the paintbrush, okay? And then we are going to do the same thing, that is draw a square here. So use the arrow button and then drag the apple here, okay? And we are going to make the same square again. So choose the black color and draw the square, choose the blue color and fill it up with blue, and then use the arrow button and then drag the apple inside the square, okay? Tick mark, and then again tap on this plus button, but this time I am just going to choose this feeding apple button, okay? And then tap on this paintbrush, okay? And then remove the apple from here. Use the scissor button, tap on it and then tap on the apple to remove the apple completely. And we are going to draw a music note. How can we do that? First of all, choose the black color, and then I'm going to choose this thicker line, and then I am going to draw a straight line. Remember the trick that you use the square button to make a thick line, a straight line like this, okay? And then I'm going to make an oval shape here. So choose the circle button and draw an oval here, and I can bring it closer to the line and then fill it up with black color, okay, like this, and use this line to draw a curve like this, okay? So that looks a bit like a music note. I can bring this a bit closer like this. So that's fine, okay? So tap on this tick mark. This is our dance button, okay? So we have all these buttons, but they're pretty big. So how can I permanently make them smaller? So first of all, choose the sleep button, use the purple shrink block and tap on it once and then throw it up, okay? Again, do the same process for the feed button. Bring the shrink block down, tap on it once, throw it up. Now choose the dance button, and here I am just going to bring the shrink block down, tap on it once, and then throw it up. And then give them a very nice position on the screen, okay, like this. So this looks good. And why is our tag here? So let's bring tag back here, okay? Now What happens when the moon button, that is the sleep button, is tapped? So choose that, the sleep button, and from the yellow blocks, get the start on tap block, okay? And I am going to send a message when someone taps on it. So I am going to send a yellow message, okay? Now tap on tag. So what happens when tag receives the yellow message? He should go to sleep. So again, we need to record some sound effects for tag. So you know how we can do that. Tap here, tap here. Now I'm going to make some snoring sound. Please don't laugh, okay? Okay, I hope you didn't get scared. So when tag will receive the yellow colored message, we want him to go to sleep. So how are we going to do that? So first we want him to go up a few times. So from the blue motion blocks, make it go up, I think about 3 times, and then make it rotate left about twice. And then I am also going to plug in my snoring sound, okay? And once the snoring sound is done, he's done sleeping, I'm going to do the opposite of what we did earlier. So I made it go up 3 times and then rotate left twice. So now I have to make it rotate right twice, 2 times, okay? So from the blue motion blocks, make it rotate towards the right twice, okay? And then we want it to come down 3 times, okay? So that tag comes back to its original position. So let's try it to see if it is working. So if I tap on this yellow, okay, so you can see that he needs to go up a bit more. So I am going to make it 5, okay, and I'm going to make the coming down 5 too. So let's try it now. So this is better, okay? Do you hear the snoring sound? And now he's back. So we are done with the sleeping part. We will finish the virtual pet game in the next class, and we will make the feed button and the dance button in that class. So I hope you are liking how this game is going, how we are making the virtual pet. Please like the video and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the last part of this virtual pet game. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.